Hi everyone, this is Critical Assignment 1. We're going to be learning about the different parts of a plant. Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Eyes on me.
Alright, today we're going to learn about plants. Can you guys tell me some things you know about plants already?
That they grow and they're alive.
That they grow, good job. They grow and they're alive. What else do we know about plants?
And the other thing I know that they need seeds to make them.
Oh, right, so they start off at seeds? Good job. Alright, we're going to read a book. It's called Seed to Plant, alright? By Kristen Berry-Bertini. It says, what is a plant? A plant is a living thing. Look, just like you said, but it's alive. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers and others have fruit. What kind of trees do you know that have fruit? Do you know any trees that have fruit?
Orange.
Oranges, good. Oranges grow on trees.
Oh, apples?
Yes, apples grow on trees, good. Others grow fruit. Trees are plants too. Did you know that? You did? Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Did you know that? Your t-shirts are made from cotton plants. Other plants are cozy homes for animals. Can you think of an animal that lives in a plant or lives in a tree? This one's a bear.
A bear.
What else lives in trees? I can think of one.
A deer.
A deer?
No.
A squirrel, good. I was thinking of an owl. An owl might live in. Yeah. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. Okay, can you stand up? Okay, it says your arms are like leaves. Put your arms up. Your arms are like leaves. Your body is like the stem. And your feet are like roots. They're in the ground, right? Okay, sit down. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant to stand up. Leaves soak up the sunlight. You see that? Those are the roots. And the stem, what does the stem do? Do you remember? It holds up the plant. And the leaves soak up the sunlight. Good. How does a plant begin? Let's dig in. Most plants start as a, do you know?
Seed.
A seed, good job. The seed splits open and the shoot, that's called the shoot, pushes out. This is called germination. Can you say germination?
Germination.
Good job. A new plant is beginning. A seedling starts to grow. The roots reach down into the soil and the stem pushes up into the air. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger and more leaves and branches grow. So what do plants need? What do you think plants need? What?
Seeds.
Seeds to grow, right? But what do plants need to be alive, to keep living?
Sun.
Sun, good. What else do plants need?
Water.
Water, good. And what else? What do plants need? What about oxygen? Yeah, they need oxygen.
And they need dirt.
Soil, dirt, good job. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space. Why do they need space?
To grow.
To grow, good job. fun plant facts. Scrub it up, Dub, in the tub. Plants are used to make soaps and shampoos. The tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty.
Liberty?
Yeah, the Statue of Liberty.
I wanted to go see that.
I know. Flowers bloom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bud called a bud. A bud slowly opens up and petals gently unfold. Surprise, it's a flower. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from flower to flower. Then the pollen rubs off one another on another flower. This is called pollination. Can you say pollination?
Pollination.
Good. It helps flowers make seeds.
But the bees are taking it.
Yeah, they're taking it to somewhere else. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seed. These are called a pod. Peas have pods, right? You see their pod? Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside. But strawberry seeds are on the outside. Now the seeds take a trip. Some float in the wind, while others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground. Soon they sprout or germinate. A new plant begins. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? Can you think of a plant you may have ate today?
I didn't eat them.
Like an orange?
Like watermelon.
Yeah, watermelon. All right. Now we're gonna try and take these. You see, this is the process of a plant growing or a flower growing. Can we put them in order? Okay, do you want to come up here? Can you turn? Where does a plant begin? What is the first part? And what's that called?
A seed.
Okay, can you put it on here in order, please? Right there. Good job. All right, Robbie. Can you come up here and put the second part? What comes after the seed? Good job. All right, Shauna, what comes next? Why do you think that comes next?
Because this is coming up.
Yeah. Do you see the seed anywhere else in any of those pictures? Good, and what is the seed forming right here? What is that called? What's it called?
Stem.
No, the stem is up. What is under the ground? Do you remember what that's called? Do you think it could be the roots?
The root.
Good, so take this picture and let's put it in order. Good job. All right, you want to do the next one too? Okay, go ahead. What comes after that? When the roots are formed, what forms next? The stem, right? Yep, there's the stem. Good job. Put it in order. And then after the stem comes the
Flower.
No, the flower comes. Yep, there you go. It forms the bud, which is, remember, is the little part before the flower. And what happens when the bud opens up?
The flower.
The flower. Good. So get the flower and let's put it in order. Good job. Good job. High five. Okay, send your seat. Okay, now we're gonna go outside, okay? And we're gonna see if we can find a flower. Okay? And you're gonna pick the flower and we're gonna put it in these bags. That's all right. We're gonna put them in these bags, all right? And then we're gonna bring them inside, and you and your buddy, Robbie, can help you, or Daddy, can help you, okay? We're gonna put them in these bags, and then we're gonna look and see if we can find the different parts of the plants. All right? Okay, so line up at the door.
Line up.
have grass as plants?
So we should pick one?
You can pick one.
Oh,
We can pick that plant. Okay, let's see.
look. Oh, this is a plant.
Yeah.
It's flowers. This is fruit. Is it mine?
Yeah, you want to pick your own or you want me?
I'm gonna pick my own.
Okay, pick that one up. Let's put it in here. Pick it. Got it?
Now we're gonna find another.
Oop. All right. Now let's go inside and you and your buddy can. Here. Okay, now work with your partner to try and find all the different kinds of plants. Don't take them out of the bag, please.
Liquid.
Yeah, because remember, look, it grows out of the seed, and then the roots grow.
And the leaves.
What's that?
A flower.
What's that one?
All right, can I see this one? All right, so what did we say is there on the bottom? What's these things inside of the ground?
Dot.
Roots.
Root.
And what are the roots growing in? What's this stuff called? Do you know what they're called, Robbie? What this dirt is called? Soil, good. And what's this part right here that's growing up? What?
The stem.
The stem, and what does the stem do?
It holds up the plant.
Good job, it holds up the plant. And what is this stuff right here? What are these green things coming out of the plant?
Leaves.
Yes, leaves, good. And what is this really nice yellow thing on top? What's that called?
The flower.
The flower. Can I see yours? You want to see something super cool? Look at this. Do you know what this is called right here?
What?
It's not a flower yet, but when it opens up, it'll be a flower. What's that called? Do you remember? The bud. Bud. Good job, guys. All right. Let me see this, please. All right. Now I'm going to give you these papers, okay? And I want you to color them. Write your name at the top. I want you to color them, all right? And I want you to label the different parts of the plants, okay? This part, whatever this is called, this, and these two parts, okay? Make sure you write your name at the top, please. Do this independently, that means by yourself.
Color it with these.
Here's some crayons.
What do you want me to color?
Yeah, but you gotta do it quietly, all right? Eyes on your paper, Shona. Color the plant, please. You can color any part you want to do first, it's okay. Color whatever color you want, it's alright.
I'm coloring these. That's it. That's a great color.
call that purple? Okay, hand me your papers, please. Thank you. Put the phones away. You finish the papers. Okay. Alright, so what are some things that we learned about plants? What did we learn about plants?
They have stems.
They have stems, good. Right. They have stems. And what do the stems do? What do stems do, Shauna? What do they help the plant do? You remember? You remember?
Stand up.
They help the plant stand up. Good. And what else did you think about that we learned? Shauna, what else did we learn? What do plants need to live? They need water. What else do they need?
Oxygen.
Oxygen, good. And what would happen if the plant had no oxygen or no water or no sun? What would happen to the plant? It would die, yeah, it would. It can't survive without it. Can we survive without oxygen or water or food? No, we can't. And what are the different stages of a plant? What does a plant start out as? And what's that called? A seed. And what happens? It grows and it becomes roots. And then the stem grows. And then what's this called? The bud. Good. And what happens when the bud opens? What pops out? A flower. Good job, guys. Almost. So can we predict what would happen if the plant, we said it had no sun and no water, you said it would die, right? And how can we prove that these are plants? How do you know that these are plants? How can we prove it? Because it has flowers and it's growing and it's alive, right? All right. I think we're done. That's everything we'll learn. Thank you guys for watching.